Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics to help others on their pathway to financial independence. And I am here at the Trans World Halloween Party Convention. It's in St. Louis, Missouri. In the back, you can see some giant monsters. That one is made out of foam, carved, and then coated with a special coating. It's a lot of fun, but I am enjoying my retirement here. I retired on Friday the 13th, and that means I don't have to go to an office every day. I can choose where to go, what to do, and it's just one of those nice things about reaching retirement. I love monsters, and I've worked kind of in that industry off and on. I was an engineer, but I dabbled in animatronics. So just what a fun monster. It's a great pillar in front of me. That's all just foam carved. Lots of folks out here at this convention. And just as a general economic indicator, the entire convention floor is full this year. A couple years back when I attended after COVID, there were several spaces that were open. So as just a general economic indicator, the entire convention floor is full of vendors. It feels like the number of patrons coming to the convention is smaller than it has been in years past. There's not as many people walking around on the Saturday, the busy Saturday, as I have seen in the past. So definitely something to be said about the economy. Less people are attending this year. I did talk to a vendor or two, and they said sales have been strong. So that's a good thing. So the folks that are attending have funds to spend on expensive Halloween props and otherwise, but just a fun event. And again, this is part of the perks of reaching financial independence, is you can choose when to go, where to go. I don't have to get back to a job if I don't want to, and I didn't have to schedule vacation time to come out here. So again, super fun. I'm here at the Halloween convention show at Trans World in St. Louis, Missouri, and just kind of a general economic update on what's going on here. So like, subscribe. Thanks so much for being a subscriber. We'll see you. Bye.